Feeling stuck only looking at simple price numbers for your crypto trades? If you're ready to move beyond the basic buy and sell, it's time to master the powerful charts inside Coinbase Advanced Trade. It's where the real technical analysis happens. I'm here to give you a quick, essential breakdown of how to read and customize these charts to make smarter trading decisions. First, let's talk about the foundation, candlesticks. Every chart you see is built with these. They give you an instant visual of price movement over a specific time period. A green candle means the price closed higher than it opened, bullish. A red candle means it closed lower, bearish. The thick body shows the open and close price, and the little lines, or wicks, show the highest and lowest price reached during that time. You can change this time from minutes to days using the drop-down menu, which instantly shifts your perspective from a quick scalp to a long-term trend. Next, customization is key. You'll notice the charts are powered by TradingView, which means you have access to a massive suite of tools. Look up at the top menu bar. This is where you select your indicators. Indicators are mathematical formulas that help you predict future price direction. For beginners, a great place to start is with the moving averages, or MA. Simple moving average, or SMA, shows the average price over a set number of periods, like 50 days. It smooths out the price action, helping you identify the underlying trend. If the price is consistently staying above the SMA line, the trend is generally strong. Another essential indicator is the Relative Strength Index, or RSI. This one typically appears in a separate panel below the main chart. The RSI measures the speed and change of price movements. The key levels to watch are 70 and 30. When the RSI line crosses above 70, the asset might be overbought and due for a correction. Below 30, it might be oversold and ready for a bounce. To apply an indicator, simply click the indicator icon, search for what you want, like RSI, and select it. You can even layer multiple indicators, like adding an exponential moving average, or EMA, which reacts faster to recent price changes than the SMA. Finally, remember you can draw directly onto your chart. The tools on the left allow you to mark potential support and resistance lines, areas where the price has historically struggled to go lower or higher. Marking these can help you set your limit orders with greater precision. By understanding candlesticks, using the time frames, and layering just a few key indicators, you transform your Coinbase Advanced Trade screen from a confusing wall of graphics into a powerful, data-driven trading tool. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.